Hi guys, with me again in the tutorial millennial YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw your job application submitted on Jobstreet. So for example, you've already submit to a job, you're already applied to a job on Jobstreet, but you have a cold feet and you want to change your mind, well, probably think that you're not suitable for the job and you want to withdraw it. I'm going to show you how. So first you need to open your Jobstreet account in your browser, your PC or your laptop, and then I'm going to show you probably I want to, for example, I've applied to this job. Oops. So for example, I submit my application to this job, and then you just need to go to the job application option. So just click on your name at the top and then click on your job application, and then here is the job that I've applied before, and if you want to withdraw it, just click on this arrow right here and then click on withdraw application. So the Jobstreet team will ask you, are you sure you want to withdraw your application from this job? Just click yes. So just like that, your job application that has been submitted before has been withdrawn. Okay, it's so easy and I think you can follow it right away. And if you like this video, please do click like, leave a comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye guys.